Dear friends, I would like to share my knowledge for how to get a jobs, vacancy jobs, identification of vacancies and likewise. So after completion of your degree or before final year, you may apply. You may apply to the company, consultancy companies, or likewise you can do it. And I have an idea, and you can type in Google list of companies from Coimbatore, if it is Coimbatore or Chennai or India or abroad also. So likewise, if you are typing in the Google list of companies, manufacturing company, list of chemical company, list of HR consulting company, list of manufacturing and O&M company or service company. Likewise, if you are typing in the Google, that will it will give the list of companies, and that actually list of company with address and email ID, phone number. So likewise, if you are typing that, it will give you the PDF format, and you can take it 100 or 100 200 companies. For example, if in Coimbatore or Chennai, the more than 100 and 200 companies, 1000 companies are there, consultancy service, etc., etc. So you get a list of company address, email ID and phone number. Then you can send it, resume, send it to them. They may compulsory at least 10 response will be there. So likewise, you take it, and one more thing, actually, what you are having knowledge, what is your interested field. So you should have mentioned, and what the companies they are doing. If you want compulsory in the compulsory immediate job, get job, likewise you have to what company, manufacturing company. If it is motor making company, you have to get the knowledge and more improve your knowledge in the motor company. Then likewise you make it a resume, technical skills. So in the technical skills you have to write it in the resume. So then you can apply. Likewise also we can do it for immediate response from the company. So likewise, my resume is different company. If you are going for a chemical company, that will be different, and if you are going for a manufacturing steel or other than, that will be different. So likewise you have to do. So then you may get, I given link here, 46 pages of HR consulting agencies. So once if you are going for a agency, you have to think, you have to aware of that, and some of the people, they may not write, they will get the money and will not respond after that, will not respond. So you should aware of this kind of this also. So with better you can free jobs, that is good. So and one more thing, I tell you the websites of company, that is HR consulting companies. Indeed is one of the company, one of the website. It is very useful. And another one, Naukri is also very important, and sign.com and times.com, and some other company, career jet, and likewise it is there. This also you can type the websites for HR consulting. Likewise, if you are typing in the Google, you may get good job opportunities. Friends, if you are having any doubt or comments, please send a comment. I will respond to you.